this is a employer-employee relationship. We are equally important. It is our labor which is sustaining these hospitals. They should realize that. It is our intellectual property which is sustaining these hospitals. It is our sweat which is sustaining these hospitals. They should also understand that they didn't send us to school. We were sent to school by our parents, by our own money, and so they should respect all that.
So how long are you going to be on strike? I'm trying to find a word, because you said that it's not a strike, it's incapacitation.
Incapacitation.
And I'm trying to find a word. How long are you going to be in this position where you're not reporting for duty?
Until we get our salaries in United States dollars, until there is a signed collective bargaining agreement which clearly details and spells out what they are going to give us in United States dollars. Until we see press statements from government, until we see circulars from government talking about us getting our salary in United States dollars, that's when we can report for work. That is, so we are basically looking, we will go until our objectives have been achieved, until our grievances have been met.
So are you not worried, or when you see that you're not reporting for duty and people are dying in hospitals because you're not there, you're not reporting for duty?
Now when it comes for worrying, we should all worry. The government should worry, the nurses should worry, the public should worry. There are three parties to this issue. The public, which is saved by the people and also saved by the government. And then the government, which should actually pay the employees and should also save the public, which voted it into office. So there are three parties to worry about the current situation. The public should give pressure, the government should worry, the nurses should worry. We worry. We're actually worried that there are no medication. This is one of the reasons why we are on incapacitation. We don't want at the end of the day for them to give us $540 so that we can go back to work and see patients dying with our $540 in the pockets. Because they can give us the
I was asking earlier that would you rather have 540 in your pocket and not have medicines in the hospitals?
Now that's where now this is the response that I'm giving to that question. That question is misdirected. It should be directed to government. It is the government who should worry that no, if we give these people $540, are they not going to be stressed to see people dying with their $540 in their pockets? People are not only saved by nurses. People are saved by government. It is the government which stocks the medicines. Where government gets the money to stock the medicines, it's not our business. It is their business, because they were issuing manifestos during the campaign period that they were going to deliver. So it's not our business. Our business is to care for the patients. We've got a unique profession.
Which we are not doing now.
We are incapacitated, and we've been incapacitated by the government. So the government should capacitate us through paying us the salaries in United States dollars.